Nĩgĩikaro kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe macibu hamwe na atongoria matiganĩte kũrĩa marĩrĩirie maũndũ matiganĩte marĩa nĩ hamwe na wĩyandĩkithia wa kura na kuoya ibandĩ kũrĩa arĩa makinyĩtie mĩaka 18.
And that is why we had this meeting. We said that let us get as many of our youth and many of our sons and daughters as well as also our fathers and mothers to register as voters as well as also get their ID, and so therefore then they'll be excluded from the development of this country because they don't have ID to participate in any development. For them to contribute to the Kenya Vision 2060 or beyond Vision 2030 and for them to be useful, therefore then they must be registered.
Oho afitha acio nĩ marĩrĩirie ũgitĩri wa gĩcigo kĩu kuona nĩ gĩkoragwo kĩgũmĩirwo nĩ ciĩko cia ũmaramari.
We have discussed about security of the area with regard to banditry, specifically the areas that have been affected seriously. We have also discussed about drug use, substance and illicit brews, and the efforts that we are doing.
Today we talked about the security situation in Isiolo. Among the many issues that has been highlighted by the county commissioner and Professor Nura, we talked about banditry. We also talked about political hygiene. Now that we are going to an electoral season.
Nĩmarĩkĩtie na kũria atongoria maunire kanwa ithige hamwe na arũmĩrĩri ao nĩguo kũgirĩrĩria ngũĩ.
That every politician, every supporter, you should do your campaigns or you should practice political hygiene. The no name calling, not political. Political balkanization or ethnic balkanization. People should do their campaign in peace.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Erastus Gige.